Matt, where are we going?
Going to the bank. It says this fucking guy driving like 40 miles an hour. Fucking time investigating.
We're going to bank.
Go to the bank. Gonna get some schlab.
Schlabith.
Gonna get Spider-Man.
Oh shit, the Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Then we're fucked.
Yeah, we took off the shitty hubcaps. This is how Matt's Genesis is sitting right now. Matt, let's get some coils on it.
Yeah?
What are we here for?
Spider-Man bitches.
Two.
On the PS5.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro. Peter is gonna beat up Miles.
I can spoil it all right now if you really want.
Is it a hate crime if you listen?
Nah.
Shut up, dude. I already
it's
know.
not a hate crime because he's Spider-Man, like he's a superhero, you know?
I already know Carnage, Sandman, and all of them in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You just spoiled it for everybody who's not played the game yet.
Chill.
I don't care because I don't even have a PlayStation 5. Fuck you.
That's why I didn't have it.
Or a Target.
Yep. We got it.
Done.
Woo.
I'm not gonna be able to play it.
Here's my parking.
You gonna go to the meet? Oh yeah. Look at that fucking new sticker on the back, dude. Shit's beauty. Shit's a beauty. Look at that. Look at that. And the neons. Neons all the way around.
Brother, yes, same front end as me. 3-spoke, that's clean.
Ooh.
So he has the Type X taillights too. Hatch.
Gotta get the back end. Clean.
You like the Type X taillights? It's like the Corvette, like the
They look nice.
Skyline. Oh, that's why I was quiet. Yes, the silencer. I took mine off.
Not bad. Pretty snazzy, pretty snazzy. What the fuck?
Dude,
CV and
what's this guy's name again?
oh my god. Doug Dimmadome, one of the Dames there, Dimmadome.
Doug Dimmadome.
It's Doug Dimmadome, one of the Dames there, Dimmadome.
Look how big those brakes are in the front too. God damn.
Jesus. Pretty clean, pretty clean, pretty clean. Side profile. Little side profile. Little side profile. At the back end of this.
You like the color?
SW. I do like the color actually. It's pretty cool. Do you like polish it a little more?
You know what I mean?
Nice. For it. The cam shin touch?
I would have to put spoiler on top.
Ah, I know what you're saying.
That would look good with this.
I like the spoiler it has. It looks nice. Like the typical Subaru spoil. This is a stock spoiler, right?
I think so, yeah.
I don't know anything about Subarus, so fuck if I know. Rollers. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Want to get the Yada?
That's with the yacht.
Alright, let's
Or
look
the
at that.
GTR.
You think it's
Yeah.
auto or you think it's manual?
Auto or manual? I'm gonna go.
I'm seeing them out with the amount of stickers. It has to be auto.
Yeah, stickers wise, I think it's gonna be auto, but I'm gonna go with the under bet and say it's a manual. I'm going with the over under. Going under here. I was right. Wait, was I?
Can't tell. It looks like it's auto. I swear, bro.
Someone's parking here. Who are you? Oh, little Beamer. Shit's clean. I'm gonna go over here. Look at this guy. GTR. I don't know about the rims.
On bronze.
Yeah, I don't know about the rims, but so clean car in general. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Got a Crown Vic over next to you.
Yeah.
Pretty clean, pretty clean.
Open?
Yeah. Beep. Beep. Sauce?
Top, hit it, like rear, engine in the back. That's cool.
That is clean. Clean too. Who's this guy? Animate up, man. That's pretty hard. Shout out, shout out. No free shout outs. Another one. I was looking at one. Wait. This is GTA? It's just duplicated.
The red one looks cool.
Nah, the red one is clean.
I like the.
I don't know about that, but that red one over there looks clean too.
On the red car part, yeah, whose car is this? Huh?
Yeah, I know. Whose car is this, bro? This is pretty clean. Got the Crown Vic next to it. Like, oh, dude, undercover pulled up. Holy shit. Undercover pulled up. Damn.
You ain't drift it?
No. Chill. It said it's too close to you.
No. Come down.
Your own car is yelling at you, bro. What the? You got the cop car next to the Japanese 240.
Dude, the car talks in Japanese.
Good. No. Sounds like I'm on a bus station in Japan. Stupid.
I totally understand that. But yeah, fortunately, my car's been really good to me. Taking it to Vegas, NorCal, everywhere. Mahalo was my daily driver, so and taking it.
Matt, just looking at that TRD bench, this one has 4AG.
What?
You don't understand because you don't watch initial D.
4AG? I don't get the reference. Sorry.
You see the sticker?
Sorry. Yeah. Why does everyone have moon on there? It says moon.
It's like a garage.
Moon. I saw another one over there had moon.
Ooh, he's popping. You hear that?
Hey, I've seen this guy before.
No, you haven't.
I swear I have.
You hear him back on?
Maybe he just looks the same.
Dude, we've seen this guy right here. This is the guy we've seen.
Oh yeah, I've seen this guy.
Where?
Fucking probably other car clubs.
Berkey, the Anaheim Convention.
Oh, here's the Anaheim? Oh yeah, he looks like he's low as fuck. Just something you'd see in like the fucking underpass in Tokyo and in Japan.
What do you think of that? It looks like the thing from the surfboard.
Aerodynamics. Low as fuck. Low as fuck. That's a clean little interior there. It looks like antennas. Antennas.
Look at the wheel. You see the wheel?
Yo, it's tiny. I wonder what that is.
You know what it's missing, Matt?
What?
Like the extended lift.
All the way out here. Yours all the way out to here?
Yeah.
That would have cleaned.
Is this the thing that lights up? Like the drift cars I have?
I think so. I have no idea.
This guy has two. Give me one.
This guy has a lot of stuff that I've never seen on like normal car before.
I'm gonna next to like
Yeah, that's a walking hazard right there. That's a walking hazard.
it's like the perfect. It's like the, when you like womp it right, it hits like the perfect tri-melody.
Boom, boom, boom. It goes boom, 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 boom.